Big news! Teams has officially landed in Poko, so now your whole crew can create together inside one shared workspace. Teams turns a workspace into a shared home where everyone works side by side on the same agency plan, the same projects, and the same features. On the web, just open your dashboard and click Team in the sidebar to reach your workspace team. Every agency plan includes 5 team seats, and you'll see exactly how many are used and how many are still left to fill. Inviting people is one click. Copy your reusable join link and share it, and anyone with the link can join until your seats are full. When a teammate opens that link, they're added instantly and land right inside your shared agency workspace. Back on the team page, you can see everyone, owner and members, track seat usage, and remove anyone in a single tap. It works in the desktop app too. Switch workspaces from the sidebar, and the team card shows your 5 included members everywhere. That's Teams, included with every agency plan. Upgrade today, invite your crew, and start creating together.